Look, oil changes are a scam, bro. My uncle's 1994 Corolla is running just fine. And he hasn't changed the oil since the Clinton administration. He says if the engine ain't knocking, you don't need to touch it. That Corolla has probably been running on spite and nostalgia at this point. The oil in your engine isn't just there for fun. It lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and prevents metal on metal grinding, which causes extreme wear and tear. So you're telling me, if I don't change my oil, my car engine is gonna what? Break up with me? Yes, and just like your ex, it'll leave you with no warning signs and empty promises. Damn, that one hurt. Listen, I have a theory. What if Armrest Warrior is actually a government experiment? Like, they just dropped him here to see if we lose our minds, trying to educate him. And honestly, they're winning. Exactly. That's exactly what they want you to think. I am a government experiment, but not the way you think. I'm here to test your patience. And let me tell you, you're failing spectacularly. Hold on. You're saying my engine is like my arteries? And if I don't change my oil, it's like eating cheeseburgers every day? Exactly. Except instead of a heart attack, your engine seizes and you get a bill so high, you'll start reconsidering all of your life choices. All right, but like, can I just top it off instead of changing it? That's like trying to freshen up by spraying deodorant instead of showering. You're just covering up the problem. Old oil breaks down chemically, loses viscosity, and stops protecting your engine. You can't just keep adding new oil to the old sludge and expect it to work. Some channels get ad revenue, some don't. Let's see which side we're on today. Well, looks like we're still in the broke creator category. Better luck next time. Okay. But what if I wait until my check engine light comes on? By the time your check engine light comes on for bad oil, the damage is already done. That's like waiting for chest pains before deciding to eat a salad. At the end of the day, the moral of the story is simple. Change your oil. Your car will thank you, your wallet will thank you, and your mechanic will be slightly less disappointed in your life choices. So tell me, when was the last time you changed your oil? Be honest. Drop a comment below. I'm here. I see you. I'm trying to. This is the part where I tell you to hit the bell. But since you're cool, I'll just wink.